Access the portal at indiabiodiversity.org. The homepage shows you different modules, content overview, and the partners section. Click the login button on top to sign in. You can use your email or mobile number to sign in. If you have forgotten your password, click the password reset option. You will receive an OTP to reset your password. If you do not have an account, register using the register. You can use a Google login or create an account with a password. Use an email or phone number and fill in the details of your profile. User location can be searched and selected. Finally, verify that you are not a machine using the CAPTCHA provided. On registering, you will be sent an OTP to verify your email or phone number. Log in using your registered details and a password. To add an observation, click the Contribute button. Drag images that you wish to upload or click and select them from your hard drive. Select multiple images of a single species. The images will be uploaded and resized automatically and thumbnails created. If you wish, you may enter captions for each image. You may rate images with higher stars to order them. If you cannot identify the species, select Help Identify. If you know the species, type the common name and pick the name from the autocomplete. The language and the scientific name are automatically filled in from autocomplete. You may also manually fill in the common name, language, or scientific name fields. The species group is also automatically filled. You may also manually select the species group. Then type in the location and select from the autocomplete. You can click and expand the map for more options. You may manually input the coordinate values or drag pointer to a more precise location on the map. For sensitive species, you may wish to obscure the location by selecting Hide Precise Location. The date is automatically picked from the image. However, you may also pick it using the date selector. Set the date accuracy to accurate, approximate, or unknown. If you wish, you may input any notes you wish to write on the observation. You may add tags to organize and group observations. Expand and add traits such as sex, life stage, or habitat seen in. Expand the Post to Group option to view all the groups that you have joined and select the groups that you wish to post to. Finally, click the Add Observation button to finish submitting the observation. There are a few other ways to add media. You can upload your media in bulk before creating observation. The My Upload section stores all the media that you have uploaded but not used in observation. You can select and upload media in bulk to this location. Select the uploaded media and click Use in Observation to use them in an observation. You can rearrange them by uploaded on or taken on dates. On clicking Use in Observation, you are taken back to the observation upload. Media in the My Upload section is stored for a period of 20 days, after which they are deleted. Alternately, you can use the audio recorder to record a species audio recording. You will need to authorize access to your device microphone from here. The recording will stop automatically after 2 minutes. Select the recording to use it in an observation. If you already have videos recorded on YouTube, select the YouTube option and input the video URL here. You can then proceed to use it in an observation upload as earlier. On submitting the observation, you are taken to an observation show page on which all the details of the observation are displayed. View details of the image or browse the map with species distributions and location details. This place contains details of the species name, location, date, notes, and tags. Other members can participate by suggesting a different species name, editing traits, or posting to different user groups from here. All activity history is displayed and comments can be in. Clicking on the observations in the menu will take you to the observation list page. From here you can interact with all the observations or click on them and go to the show page of the observation. Most of the participatory functions from the show page are also available here. You can participate on observations or quickly scroll through and browse different observations. You may also switch between a list view and a grid view. On the left side, there is a filter panel to filter observations and retrieve observations of your interest. There are many filters available here, and you can use these filters in any combination to generate the observation based on your filters of interest. Filters are available for taxonomy, for location, for date, data quality, media, traits, and custom fields. The observation list page displays the results of the filters that you apply. After applying filters, you can download the results as a CSV file. Click on the download button and select the columns that you wish to have in your download file. Your download link will be sent via email. Do use the portal and send feedback using the feedback button provided. Thank you very much.